Hi everyone, I'm CEO from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to disable auto download in WhatsApp. Turning off auto download helps you save data and storage space by controlling what gets downloaded to your device. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, find and tap the storage and data option. Under the media auto download section, you will see sections for different media types. Tap on each options like photos, audios, videos and documents one by one and select never for each. This will prevent media from downloading automatically. And this is how you can disable auto download in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.